What's up guys, and welcome to this video tutorial. We are going over question 11 from the 2019 IEB Maths Paper 2. Nice and interesting question that hopefully you guys will find easy at the end of this tutorial. So in the diagram below, C, D, and M are points on a circle. C, D, and M, all points on a circle. With angle C is equal to X, that's been shown. Okay, so KD, so that's this long one right here. KD is a tangent to circle, to the circle at point D. Interesting. E is a point on DK. EM is another tangent to the circle, and we've been given two angles which are already shown in there. And we want to calculate the value of X. Okay, so this problem may seem a bit difficult, but it is basically solved with one very important theorem, which is our Tan Chord theorem. So let's just backtrack and understand what that is. So what is our Tan Chord theorem? So if we have a circle, that looks pretty good, and we have a tangent to the circle, then we have a triangle of some sort, right? What our Tan Chord tells us is that, or Tan Chord theorem tells us that this angle right here is equal to this angle right here. And similarly, we can say that this angle right here is equal to this angle right here. So at this point, you may be wondering how this helps us. But something that we need to do is draw in a nice triangle. We know that this line right here is a tangent, and this line right here is a tangent. So there are two potential places where I could use this theorem. So let's start off by joining this, because we need a triangle. So what we do is we construct a line right there. Using that construction, let's actually do it in black so that it looks like a triangle. Okay, so if we draw in that right there, we have a triangle CDM. Okay, so using that, we can say that angle MD, so that's MDE, so we're looking at the angle, is equal to X. And how does that come in? We have a tangent, right? If we look at only this tangent right here, we have a tangent, this tangent right here, and we are looking at this angle right here is equal to this angle right here. Okay, and then if we look at this tangent right here, we can also say that this angle right here is equal to that angle right there. Again, this is because of Tan Chord. And we can also say that that is going to be angle DME. So that's DME is equal to X. And the reason for that is Tan Chord once again. So all the hard part is done there. So now we can remove all of that. And what we have now is we have a triangle, that distance, or that angle being X, this angle being X. So if we look at this triangle right here, we can say that X plus X plus angle DEM, so this angle right here, is equal to 180 degrees. So we can say that angle DEM is equal to 180 degrees minus 2x. So now we can clean that up again. Once again, we have this angle right here is equal to 180 degrees minus 2x. And we can use, so this one was, can say angles in triangle equals 180 degrees. And then the last one we're going to see is we're going to say that the exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the interior opposite angles. So we can say that 180 degrees minus 2x is equal to x plus 45 degrees plus 2x minus 40 degrees, and that's going to be exterior angles of triangle equal interior opposite angles. The reason for that. Then if we manipulate this a bit, we end up with minus 5x is equal to minus 175 degrees, and we can solve for x quite easily as 35 degrees. And that's our answer. So not too difficult, right? The most important thing, if you miss that you need to construct this line right here, then you've missed the plot. And what you need to look for is the word tangent. Whenever they mention the word tangent, you are looking for the Tan Chord theorem in case it comes up, because it is very useful. And after that, the question is quite simple. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found it useful.